Hey, so you have to cook dinner for your vegan friends? Avocados on my vice for you.
Alright, hit it.
One of the most popular questions I get is from people who don't know what to make for vegans who are coming over for dinner. Well, I have one thing to tell them. Make them what you would make them if they weren't vegan. That's right, it's that simple. Just make it with vegan ingredients. Making lasagna? Make a vegan lasagna. Making spaghetti? Make a vegan spaghetti. Making steaks? Make a cauliflower steak. What the heck? You can do it.
Are you gonna go for it?
Just be creative. Remember that everything can be made vegan pretty easily. And remember that most of what you're eating is vegan anyway. Just take out the meat, dairy, and eggs.
Stop it! S-T-O-P, new word, I-T.
How simple is that? So next time someone says, what am I gonna make for my vegan guests? Make them what you would make them anyway, but make the vegan version. Got it? Comment, like, and subscribe.